Hi, our project is automatic question generation, and we have also implemented a group chat feature in this one. This is our dashboard where we have, and the layout which we are seeing is the student layout. Here we have many features like this is our dashboard where we have the tab to see the recent activity, as well as we have the to-do list, and we have the chat feature. This is a group chat feature where we can chat with any person in the who is authorized to use this website, and we have the active learning session here. uh, like whatever the faculty uploads, the students will be able to see this. And this is alerts like if the faculty uploads any emergency alerts, the students will be able to see in this one. If they want to dismiss the alert, they can. And The next thing is uh, like here they can see all the subjects they are using, and if they click on view details, it goes to that particular subject module where they have the modules here for each subject, and they have the assignments that are there for each subject. If they wish to take the test, they can take the test here. uh, like uh, the test is automatically, it's an automatic question generation from the tutorial points site. It The question number and the subject depends upon the faculty, and if they want to review their quiz, they can review it here. Like if I opt this subject option, I can see that it is answered. And if I want to go to ninth question, I can directly go to ninth question, and I can mark it, and I can see the review. And once, if I complete or if I want to submit it, I can submit it at any point of time. If I want to go back, I can press quiz and go back. And here this is an angular timer, and if the timer got expired, automatically the quiz will be submitted. Otherwise, if I have to submit it, I can submit it. And once after the submission, I'll be able to see the questions if they are right or wrong. In this case, everything is wrong, and that's why the mark is 0%. So, and if the upcoming quizzes I can see in in here. And if I want to take that particular test, I can take it by going to this page, and then I can press take test, and I can write the test. And the other thing is, like, if at all any other things are if at all any other recent activities we have to see, we can see it here. And this also has a feature like left to right and right to left, where we can switch it from left to right and right to left here. And the CSS design. And the other feature is like language feature, where we can change the languages of sidebar and the main bar. As you can see here, this language got changed. And the other one is like, if you want to see like how many people are there in the class, like all the people, and then people in your section, you can see it here. And if you want to view your own profile, you can see it here. This has also got some mailing feature, where we can mail the person that we wanted to mail. This directly opens the Gmail window. And and that's it about the student layout. Here we do have another layout, that is faculty layout, where we have the admin things for creation of everything. That is like, say for example, if the faculty wants to edit or delete a person, they can do it here. Like if they want to delete, they also can do that. And if they want to create, they can create one more person by pressing the add student. Say for example, if we want to add this person, and say okay, when I'm pressing add student, automatically that will be added. And if they want to, like, if he wants to make an announcement, he can make it here. If we don't want to do that, he can delete it. And we can see all the people, like we can see the person here that we have added. And the next thing is something like mm, if they want to create an active learning, what they have to do is they have to go and copy a uh, mm, YouTube embed videos, say for or a YouTube video link. For now I'm just doing it as link. um, for now I'm just trying to paste some YouTube video link, that is mm, YouTube video for Python. um, okay, let's take this
In this course, I'm going to teach
video.
you everything you need to know to get.
And here what we have to do is we have to just copy the embed code URL. So the embedded URL will be this one, and then if we go and if we paste it here, like Python learning, and if we save this, the same thing, uh, and if we save this, the same thing can be seen here. This is our Python learning. And then after that, if we see the assignments, we can add an assignment here. Like say for example, now this Python has got only 2 assignments. If we want to add third assignment, the subject will be Python, and max marks we can assign it based on the marks. The number of questions will be fetched from the tutorial point side. Once after I added, I can see the assignment, newly added assignment here. Whenever I add an assignment, I can see the reflections in the student layout simultaneously. That is here we can see that a new assignment has been added, that is Python assignment 3 has been added here. And also, like when I press this, I can go and see here also that the assignment 3 for Python has been added, and if the student wishes, he can take the test also. And uh, and yeah, the other features, like we already saw, like the language changing option in the LTR and RTL, and here the profile of the faculty also will be visible. And here for authentication we have used Firebase, which is a very secure authentication, and database also we have used Firebase for that. Here we have the collections of all, and the authentication, the social authentication, the sign-in methods. The sign-in methods are seen here. Right now we have only one sign-in, social sign-in method, that is um, Google. And once the user logs out, we'll go back to the original state. And thank you. And the app which we saw is a mobile app and a web app together, like it is the same code base when the and different apps. The app which you could see here is the mobile app, and we are using Android Studio for the visualization. And here the same features can be seen here also, and it's a responsive mobile application. It's a responsive design. Basically for the design we have used Material and Bootstrap, Material 8 and Bootstrap 4 for the design, because of which we are able to see the entire thing. And so next one is mm, next one is like for Firebase. Um, for we have used Firebase for the authentication, and the other one is like for chat we have deployed the server differently in Heroku, and the same URL is used for the chat purpose. And the like the automatic question generation is done with the help of web scraping in Python, and the same is deployed in AWS instance, which is used as a URL in the site. So basically we are using a microservice structure based development where we have two microservices here. One is for the chat server, and the chat server and the client is chat server is developed with the help of uh, socket programming, and uh, the chart server is connected to the application with the help of a server URL that is deployed in Heroku, basically. And all the data for databases, we have used both MongoDB as well as the Firebase database for the other purposes. And uh, and for authentication purpose, the, for social authentication purpose, we have used Firebase for that. And as you can see here, and here, so for the social authentication, we have all the forgot the password and verification options, everything here, just like normal other apps. It's very secure. And for the mobile application purpose, we have used Cordova 8. Basically, we have added the Android platform into the Cordova. We have integrated Angular with Cordova in this case. Um, and the mobile application is a very responsive application, as you can see here, and it will have all the features just like the web app. Basically, it's the same code base that serves as a mobile app as well as the web app. And for like for further for further details, you can follow us in the GitHub. uh, Thank you so much.